E-commerce gives entrepreneurs the flexibility that traditional retailers can only dream of. Online merchants establish their own hours, pay whatever they want to start and expand their enterprises, and can work from anywhere in the world. They succeed at all ages and educational levels, with many having no previous business experience. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today we are going to talk about starting an online business, step-by-step guide for beginners. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Selling things online isn't just feasible, it's also satisfying a significant spike in demand for internet shopping. As more people shop on their phones, tablets, and even smart speakers, the opportunity to start an e-commerce business will increase. If you've been considering launching an online business, now is the time to get started. Step 1. Research your product idea. Finding a lucrative product to sell is frequently the most difficult part of starting an online business. It's worth noting that fundraising is not the first step in beginning a business. You can establish a business with almost no upfront costs. Stay tuned to find out how. Do not worry if you don't have any product ideas yet. Thinking about how you want to market online can motivate you. Choose a business model. There are numerous methods to sell items online, but here are 7 tried and true profitable options. Private label. You rebrand or rename a product that is already in production to your own label. If you've purchased a drugstore's generic version of a brand name good, you've encountered a private label firm. It is the most popular and profitable business model for Amazon merchants. Wholesale. You buy brand name products in bulk from a manufacturer, supplier, or distributor and resell them online as individual units to end users. It is the second most common model for Amazon sellers and one of the simplest to implement. Retail arbitrage is the practice of purchasing low-cost or discounted products from a physical store and reselling them online. This is a relatively inexpensive method. You only pay for the things you purchased and the gasoline you used to get there. Online arbitrage is similar to retail arbitrage, except it involves purchasing things from other online marketplaces and reselling them online. Dropshipping. You will accept online orders for a product on behalf of a manufacturer, supplier, or distributor. When a customer makes a purchase, you tell the supplier, who will subsequently fulfill and ship the order. Dropshipping, along with used things, is the finest business model for getting started selling for free. Handcrafted products. You'll sell your handcrafted items on handmade-friendly websites such as Etsy and Amazon Handmade. Used items. You'll offer still functional objects like furniture, video games, paintings, literature, collectibles, and even cars for sale online. This concept requires absolutely no initial investment. The things are already in your closet, garage, or bookshelf. Yard sales, consignment stores, and estate sales are all inexpensive places to find hidden gems. Find a supplier. Your supplier could be a private label goods manufacturer, a wholesale distributor, or the local hardware store where you purchase a furniture-making supplies. Whatever your sourcing requirements, the cost of acquiring your goods is an important component of product research. Choose a memorable brand name. Think carefully about your brand name. It's a vital marketing tool. Use it to generate the emotions you want your buyers to have about your brand. It should be distinct, memorable, and unique. Before using your planned brand name, make sure it isn't already taken. Step 2. Build a financial plan for your online business. Once you've proven your product idea, it's time to get serious about the numbers. Specifically, how much it will cost to establish and run your firm, as well as when you can expect to start making money. It is feasible to launch an online business for free. However, if you want to make a big investment in inventory, formally register your firm right away, or create your own private label goods, you will have to pay some upfront charges. Having a budget for your business is critical. Try not to become overwhelmed by all of the line items that can add up. Making adjustments here and there to keep below your spending limit is part of the process. An initial investment may appear to be a significant risk, but with a well-researched product and improved operations, it will pay off. Seller fees, legal fees, insurance costs, and taxes. Depending on where you post your products, you may be required to pay seller fees and carry insurance. You should also consider officially registering your business as an LLC, which has some tax advantages. Step 3. Create compelling product listings. Customers can learn about a product through a variety of methods, including viewing commercials, seeing a suggestion on Google or Amazon, reading a satisfied customer's review, browsing through social media, and even word of mouth. Finally, your product description is the single most effective piece of promotion you can use to raise brand awareness. Use your listing to explain why customers need your product, define your brand identity, and establish credibility with your target audience. Use keywords to boost visibility. Your product listing should include relevant keywords and information that shoppers use to find the things they wish to buy. That way, it will actually appear in search results rather than being lost in a sea of competitors. Step 4. Market your product, drive traffic, and build brand awareness. So you've created a comprehensive, keyword-rich product listing with engaging language and eye-catching pictures. It's now time to tell the world about it. You want to bring as much traffic as possible to your item so that you have a better chance of converting. That is, getting as many people as possible to click on, view, and buy your goods. The greater your internet presence, the more likely you are to attract online customers. Make sure to build a digital presence in at least 3 areas: your own e-commerce site or landing page, social media, and online ad space. Once you start making sales, keeping your review count and ratings high will help your brand's credibility. Build an e-commerce storefront. Your storefront is where clients can learn about your business and where you can persuade them that it is authentic and worth their hard-earned money. Essentially, you want to reproduce the experience of visiting a physical business, but more efficiently. Consider what a customer would want to know about your product or brand, as well as any questions they might have for the store clerk, and make that information available somewhere in your storefront. You can establish a separate website by utilizing hosting companies such as Shopify or Wix, or you can use the templates provided by Amazon or eBay to create a storefront. Growing your brand's following on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok exposes your products to millions of potential customers. You can link your storefront or specific product listings within your social media pages, so customers can easily navigate to them. You may also sell things directly through Facebook and Instagram. Get reviews. Product reviews are more important to your company's long-term success than you might realize. On Amazon, a high volume of positive reviews improves your product's ranking, which affects sales. Getting amazing reviews begins with offering a high-quality product, ensuring fast delivery and return processing, courteous communication, and a visually appealing brand all contribute to success. Step 5. Optimize your online business and plan for growth. The establishment of a new firm is a major task that calls for patience, time, and financial resources. Congratulations on your decision to start your own business. When your company is fully operational, you should make it a habit to regularly evaluate how well it is doing. To put yourself in a position to achieve success over the long run, you might need to make some adjustments. It is your intention to do a review of your company during the first 3 months. However, despite the fact that the majority of Amazon sellers are able to get their businesses up and running in a short amount of time, 23% of them require at least 3 months to launch, and more than half of them wait for 6 months or longer before they begin to generate a profit. Measure your business's performance. You should bring up your financial strategy and start comparing it to the actual performance of your company. For your consideration, here are some questions. You should keep an eye on performance metrics like sales volume, income, and advertising expenditures in order to identify patterns in spending that are not immediately obvious. This is something that is taken care of for you by software systems such as Jungle Scout's Sales Analytics, which enables you to concentrate on strategy rather than paperwork. Don't freak out if the product you purchased does not live up to your expectations. Investigate the possibility of making any modifications to enhance its functionality or collect feedback from users regarding the ways in which it could be improved. If you sell a lot of different products, you might want to consider getting rid of the one that isn't doing very well. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.